Pegasus, the Super Snooper. This has been the talk of the town of late, so let's take a look at what it really is. Pegasus is a spyware used to gather information from your gadget, which has been around for 4+ years now. Then why is it creating a lot of noise? A report from International Media Collaboration states that multiple government parties across the globe are using this tool to spy on journalists and VIPs. So how are you exposed and how does it really work? Basically, by clicking links, the photo apps, the Apple Music app, the iMessage, WhatsApp and other vulnerabilities. This tool can run without any user intervention. Masterpiece, huh? How can you stay secure then? Keep your gadgets updated. Apple and Google have put in place specific controls to mitigate Pegasus. Number 2. Never click on links before verifying them. Remember, nothing comes free of cost.